Hello everyone, I have already cut out all the pieces to save you time. Now, let's start sewing our top. First, sew the darts on both the upper and lower pieces of the top. The seam allowance is 1 centimeter. Cut the dart, stopping 1 to 2 millimeters before the stitching dot. Press the dart seams open in opposite directions. Press the straps and ties 0.7 centimeters, extra times. Stitch on the machine 0.1 minus 0.2 centimeters from the edge. Join the upper ties with the straps. The strap pattern includes markings, indicating where to attach them. Sew the prepared straps to the upper part of the top, placing them on the front side. The seam allowance is 0.5 centimeters. Sew the lower ties at the marked points on the main pieces. The seam allowance is 0.5 centimeters. Fold the top and bottom pieces with the right sides together and sew along the circle. The seam allowance is 0.7 centimeters. Leave a small opening at the bottom for turning the top. Right side OUT. Turn the top right side out through the opening. Press all the seams to give the garment a neat finish. Hand stitch the opening closed with blind stitches. Congratulations, your top is ready. I hope you enjoyed the process and the result. Good luck with your future sewing projects.